Learning how to test with a screen reader means understanding how a screen reader interacts with and announces different elements. In this video series, we'll listen to NVDA announce accessible and inaccessible website elements to help you familiarize yourself with how it should sound. This video is all about lists. Watch the other videos in the series or learn more about how to make accessible lists in the resources below. Accessible lists have HTML that screen readers use to know it's a list and announce how many items are in it. Then the screen reader can use list keyboard shortcuts and has information before entering the list. I'll navigate to the list using the down arrow key, or I can select L to jump to the next list. Then I'll navigate through the list using the arrow key. Let's hear NVDA announce an accessible list.
Here are things you should list with 6 items. Bullet sunscreen. Out of list. Here are things you list with 6 items. Bullet sunscreen, bullet hats, bullet beach toys, bullet more than one swimsuit.
NVDA announced it was a list and how many items were in it. Now let's hear the same list but without the proper list HTML.
Here are things you should pack for your warm getaway: sunscreen, hats, beach toys, more than one swimsuit.
Without the list HTML, NVDA just reads it like normal text, making it more difficult for the user to navigate. That's how NVDA sounds announcing accessible and inaccessible lists. Subscribe to Pope Tech for more digital accessibility videos.